So, you've got pages on your website, but they need some organization. This video will demonstrate how to access and manage the main menu, how to drag and drop pages to reorder them, and how to make changes to page names and links. Check out a related video to learn about adding new items to the menu. Please note that only users with the Website Manager role can open and administer changes within the main menu. Let's start by identifying three different issues I want to address in the menu. First, in the main menu at the top of the website, there's a menu heading called Colors. In this drop-down menu, there are links for 7 child pages named for 7 different colors. They are shown in alphabetical order, but I would prefer that they be shown in the standard Roy-G-Biv order. Another issue is that I want the Colors parent page to be nested under the Attributes landing page instead of being in the main menu. And finally, I want to keep my really long title for the blue color page, but I only want the word blue in the menu link for a more cohesive look. To access the main navigation for the website, go to the side navigation and select Menus. Then, on the right side of the row titled Main Navigation, select the List Links button. This will take you to an editable list of all of the pages with menu links. Here, you can drag and drop pages to change their order and parentage on the website. Each page name in this menu has a crossbar icon on the left side. By selecting, dragging, and dropping these crossbars, you can move pages up and down to change the order the page links show in the menu. You can also drag and drop the crossbars to move the pages left and right to establish parent-child relationships between pages. So let's find those color pages nested under the Colors parent page. Often, the default order of child pages will be alphabetical, so if you want to change the order of the pages, just grab the crossbar icon of the page you want to move. Let's start with red. Drag it where you want it, and drop it. Let's arrange the rest of these pages to fit the Roy-G-Biv pattern by dragging and dropping the crossbars of each page until they're in the correct order. You can make as many changes as you like here, but none of them will take effect until you scroll to the very bottom of this page and select the blue Save button. Now let's move the Colors parent page to nest under the Attributes page. Notice that the Colors page and the Attributes page are currently in line with one another. To nest the Colors page within the Attributes page, grab the crossbar next to the Colors page title and nudge it to the right. Now it's aligned with the other child pages under the Attributes parent page. Notice that all of the colored child pages travel with the parent page when you make this move. If you want to have the Colors page be listed first in the menu of pages under Attributes, we can drag and drop it above the other two page links like this. Again, the child pages of the color page stay nested there. Finally, scroll down to the bottom and select Save. Now let's shorten the link for the blue color page. Find the page, and then select the Edit button on the right side. This will take you to the Edit Menu Link page. Here, I can put my cursor in the menu link title and shorten the title to just blue. While we're here, I'll mention that it's on this page that I could also change the link for this page. Say you want to keep a link in a menu, but change where it takes a visitor. This is a good place to make that change. To do that, you would enter or paste a different link in the link field. On this page, you also have the option to change where the page shows up in the menu using the Parent Link drag and drop menu on the right side. With any of these changes, remember to select the blue Save button to save your changes, and this will take us back to the main navigation list of links. By selecting the Drupal icon in the upper left corner of the page, we'll go back to the home page and we should see all of our changes in effect. The Colors parent page is no longer in the main navigation, and if we open the drop-down menu for attributes, we can see the Colors page there. I'll select Colors and go to the Colors page, and there I'll see the links in the correct Roy G. Biv order, and the link for the blue color page is simply shown as blue. If I visit that page by selecting the blue page link, you'll notice that the name of the page is unchanged and still as long as I want it. If I wanted to change the name of the page itself, I would do so by editing this page. A couple troubleshooting notes. Sometimes the list of links in a menu like this can get quite long, and finding a page to change gets more difficult just by scrolling. You can use a search function such as Command or Control and the letter F to search for the name of the page you're looking for. Keep in mind that multiple pages might bear similar names, so double-check which page you need to change. One more note. If the page you're looking for does not appear in the main navigation menu, it is likely because the page does not have a menu link. Watch the related video about adding pages to menus to learn how to make this change so that pages appear in a menu. I hope this video has shown clearly how to access and manage the main menu, how to drag and drop pages, and how to make changes to page names and links. Thanks for watching.